Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Piro. Today I was working on cleaning out my old game closet and I came across some games that my family has grown out of. So I'm putting them to use today to make an art project. Okay, we don't want to waste anything, so we're going to recycle and reuse, and we're going to make an art project. Today I've decided to work on something called a radial design. And radial design starts in the center, works its way out, and it's a circular pattern. So what I've done is I've gone through my games and I found some like colors and like shapes, items that are the same. I also found some candy that I can use in this design that will add some different interest to the picture. Okay, so I'm going to start out today with my cards, and I decided to go with a 6-piece design. So I'm going to just go ahead and arrange this in a circular pattern using my 6 cards. Okay, and then this game happened to have red cards and green cards, so I can go in between with the second color. I've got a red and green pattern going on. All right, now I'm going to try and use some game pieces. And again, I don't always have the same size of everything, but at least I have the same color. So I managed to find a big selection of blue pieces from this Sorry game, and I'm just going to go ahead and put those down. And I'm going to use my 6 pieces and kind of make a circular pattern in the middle here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have one left over I'm going to use for the center. Don't need that one. All right, now sometimes you have like 3 of one color and 3 of another color, so you might not have 6 to use. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and go every other. So I'm going to go green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. Okay, and then I have some red pieces. Okay, so the red pieces, maybe instead of going around in a blank area, I can layer those on the tops of something. So we'll go with the red ones on top of the green card so it shows up nice and bright. And I got one extra of that. And then from my Elephant game from when my daughter was just a little toddler, I've got these little butterfly shapes. And again, I don't have the right number, so in this case I have to have double the number. So I'm going to go every other. Green, yellow, and so on. We're going to bring those all the way around. Green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. So now I've got that going around the edges. And then my last piece that I'm going to add to this picture, we're going to put these blue candies on here. And this just gives a little bit more variety, a little texture, and just adds a little fun to the design. Okay, so there you have it, a radial design. Some people call this a mandala. You can make things like this with food. I'm going to show you how to make one with some vegetables and food items. But first, get your parents' permission. We need to make sure that it's okay for you to make this design. You could also go on a nature walk, find sticks and leaves and little pebbles and things like that, little dried flowers from outdoors, and you can make a beautiful design with that. I hope you enjoy creating. Bye-bye.